Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday, September the 9th. Time is now 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am looking for a short in this area here. There was a institutional zone that had got broken. It disappeared, and we are struggling right here at the 5 deviation line. So I'm going to look to take an active short in this area at 45.20. I'm going to take 5 contract shorts. This is going to be a market order, and I'm in at 45.22 short right now. So I will set my stop up above this candle, the body of this candle right here at 45.39 will be my stop. Okay, 45.39, 5. $45.39, and I'm thinking we're going to push down to the 1 deviation level at 44.49. So I'll put in a take profit order at 44.50. $44.50, and I will be looking to scale out of this trade most likely also. Okay, so my stop and take profit are into place now. Now we're just sitting back and watching, so I'll get back with you in just a little bit and we'll see where we're at. Okay, took 2 contracts off for profit at 45.00. Moving my stop down to break even now at 45.22, and original target still set at 44.50. I'll probably be looking to take another contract off around 44, right around 44.80. So, okay, scaling out. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, let me show you this on the order flow chart. When you have these blank areas, there's absolutely no buy orders in this area here. That's a really good sign that there's going to be a continuation of a push down. So I am still short. I'm going to move my stop to 45.11. Just in case it does push back up there. And I have another contract to take off at 44.93. 45.11. And that will secure 10 more ticks of profit on that now. So, and my entry is 45.22. Price now is 45.03 for 3 contracts short. Stop is now 45.11, which will put me plus 10 contracts, plus 10 ticks, sorry. And another contract's due to come off at 44.93 right here. And then I still have my final target set at 44.50 right there, 1 tick above the 1 deviation line. So, all right, still watching, and I will be back shortly. Alright, another contract off at 44.93. I'm down to 2 contracts short right now. No adjustments just yet. I probably will change my stop to a trailing stop. Not exactly sure just yet. Let me see where we at. 44.98. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna change my stop, my stop is going to be turned into a 15 tick trailing stop at the moment. Let me enter that. Trailing stop. I'm going to set it at 15 ticks, and then I'm going to adjust it to where it's ticking right there at 45.11. And that is 2 contracts. Okay, trailing stop is in. And at 45.13. You know what? That's close enough right there. So I will leave that trailing stop in for 15 ticks. That still secures me with 8 ticks profit on the stop loss, and then we'll see if we'll continue to push down. All right, be back shortly. Let me show you. You see how there's no buy orders here? It came right up to the tick, and it will have a difficult time pushing through that. So that's one thing that you can actually look at on order flow. I don't believe I've ever talked about that. So it's not guaranteed. I mean, sometimes it can push through, but it always has a difficult time getting that, pushing through that much more than actually reading the buy and sell orders. So it's fairly a solid area to watch for either continuations or reversals. We have a down slant on the 8 SMA or EMA. Not as a SMA line. And so now we're just going to continue to watch here. See if we can break through the 7 deviation line and push on down the target. So if it does push through, I'm expecting it to move pretty quick. But we have a lot of action going on up in this area, just kind of building. So now it's just a watch and wait game. So all right, I'll be back shortly. All right, we had a big buyer come in, or several big buyers came in. They pushed right on through that and just skipped all over these sellers right here. And as you can see, the cumulative delta is starting to switch also. So I'm out of that trade. My stop got hit. It was real tight right on this line at 45.10. So I'm out of the trade completely now. And that was a very profitable scale out trade with changing to the trailing stop a little bit later. So if I'm scalping this, I would actually look for a long right back in this area. Expect a retrace back down, but I'll have to go back and look at the big picture. But that's pretty much how those type of trades work there. So I was utilizing order flow on my scale out, and utilizing order flow on the scale out, but with respects to everything that was going on with the profile here. So we had a stall out off of the 7 deviation line, and it's kind of hard to say if it's going to continue back up again. So we're in a no man's land for me. Intraday trading. Scalping would be great, but I'm not scalping today. So that actually hit me with my target goal today. And let me show you my earlier oil trade. I already marked up the chart. Let me pull that up. So this was my earlier trade that got in on the push up right up in here. Did 10 contracts at 45.30. First take profit was hit on all 10 contracts at 45.60. Watching the order flow, that was just a quick blip retrace, and I got back in at 45.52, expecting to get up to the I zone. And it did. I took profit right after the point of control right here at 45.84. So good trades for today. So those were both $3 grand trades. And then with my scale on another one, I got to do the math on that. So all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you later.